At Motiv on Old Kampala Road, a Human-Centred Design Masterclass led by Maria Gibbs, Executive Director of Industrial Labs at Notre Dame, is equipping startups with the skills to build businesses that prioritize real customer needs. Gibbs emphasized that the training focuses on integrating human insights into every stage of the business development process. According to Maria Gibbs, the masterclass is centered on starting with the customer's needs as the foundation for the building a business. She explained that the three-day training gives the entrepreneurs the opportunity to apply human-centered designs principles to their own ventures, starting from the identifying a problem to brainstorming practical people-focused solutions.
My name is Maria Gibbs, and I am the Executive Director of Industry Labs at the University of Notre Dame. So this class is really about how do you incorporate people's needs and problems into the process of starting a business. So instead of starting with an idea or a solution and then building it and then hoping that your customers will buy it, this masterclass is all about how do you start with the needs of the customer to inform the business that you're going to start.
Celine Celia, founder of the Empowers Artisan Design, said what stood out for her was the challenge of thinking deeply about what the customer truly needs. She noted that one key lesson from the masterclass was learning that you can't think of the customer, you have to get the answers from them.
My name is Serena Kasiri, so the team leader at the annual Afri Art and Fashion Show. I am very honored to be part of the Human-Centred Design Masterclass. One of the things that has stood out for me is an opportunity and a challenge to think about what the customer needs. And we have been taught that you cannot think for the customer, but you have to get the answers from the customer. So I have been challenged to start holding those conversations.
Otandi Birungi, who sells women accessories such as bags, shared that she learned the importance of first identifying and understanding her target consumer before developing a business.
I'm Otandi Birungi. I'm a lawyer, but then I'm also a business. I have a business of selling women's accessories. This station, we've learned very many different things. Before starting a business, before getting a business idea, you have to first evaluate who exactly is going to be your customer. Then for my case, my customers are ladies or women or the youth who are girls who want to buy different bags, let's say earpins and things like that. Then we also learned about the different problems businesses face. Different businesses have every business has its own solutions. So my business may have an issue of price fluctuation, or maybe I may get an issue of quality, which another business like poultry will not have.
Muhammad Kasada, a farmer, said the training helped him understand how to identify problems that are truly worth solving in order to develop solutions that effectively address the real needs of farmers.
My name is Mohamed Kasada. I work as a CEO of Yigagro Innovations. We are basically a company that is dealing with the last mile farmer in the rural areas. We are basically in the rural areas in the districts of Namutumba, Mayuge, and in Jinja district. And what we are doing basically is to work with the farmers who have a number of challenges in terms of post-harvest handling. In this case, we have gone through a best session whereby we thought that we understood basically based on our own mindset, but we have come to know that we need to put the customer, we need to put the farmer, we need to put that person that we are going to solve a problem for at the center. And we are looking at this as the human-centered approach of problem solving, which has enabled us very well to get a lot of knowledge, which we think at the end of the day we are going to be able in the field to go to the field and use it practically to come up with better solutions.